How to fix Roblox audio not working. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. If your Roblox audio is not working on your PC, search sound. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on troubleshoot. It will show you if there is any problem in your device. If not, scroll down. After you have scrolled down, in the sound section, you will find additional settings. Click on App Volume and Device Preferences. After you've clicked on it, you'll find these options. Select Output as your main speaker. Then also make sure volume is 100 in both of them. If it still does not fix your problem, what you can do is open Device Manager and search for audio in here. Expand it and right click on Speakers. Click on Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for drivers. If there is any best drivers, it will install. If not, as you can see, I have already best drivers installed for my device. If it still does not work, simply uninstall the Roblox app and install it again. In the phone, you can simply open Settings and click on Apps and Notifications. In Apps and Notifications, click on Roblox, which will open information about Roblox in this way. Click on Storage and Cache. In Storage and Cache, you'll find Clear Cache option at the top. Click on it and clear the cache. Another thing what you can do is go back to the home display and hold on to the Roblox app and uninstall the app. After it's uninstalled, reinstall the app and try seeing if it works. And this is how to fix Roblox audio not working on PC and mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.